everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Natasha and this is Divine Creations. Today we're going to be using some amazing clip art to create egg banners because Easter is right around the corner and I am so excited. So if you're new to my channel, remember to check the description for all the important links. So again, we're going to be using Mujka Easter Spring Bundle. She has amazing graphics and you're going to see how I use them for inspiration for your projects. So we're going to start off in silhouette. I love working in silhouette because it allows me to create an offset and it has really amazing features that unfortunately Cricut does not offer at the time. But I will take you over to Cricut and we're going to cut this out. So stay tuned. So we're all finished with silhouette. I've already saved it to my computer and I have uploaded into Cricut. So that's what you're looking at right now is Design Space. And this is how easy it is to create something in silhouette, save it to your computer, as you see I'm doing right here. And then we're going to go ahead and upload it and continue to design here in Cricut. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in a few more images so I'll have all the images I need and just giving you a quick look at really it's super easy using Mujka images. She makes really amazing vivid graphics and I love using her items. So as you see I have all my images now. We're going to resize them because they do come in a little off sizing, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. You just resize based on your needs. These are sized at 7.5, I believe, or a little less than 7.5, so that they can wrap around the large eggs that I bought from Walmart. But you can make the adjustments based on your needs. You're not your needs, but the size of your Easter eggs. You could just make the banner fit yours. You could just rip a piece of paper, measure it with a ruler, and see how long you need to make it for Design Space. So as you see, I'm just resizing my graphics here so they can fit. Once I am completely satisfied with the sizing and placement, then I'm going to go ahead and hit make it and send everything to the mat. Now that everything is cut out, it's time for the fun part. We're going to put everything together using double-sided tape. I like using double-sided tape. It's inexpensive and it's quick and easy. You can also use glue if you choose to, but today I'm using double-sided tape. I'm going to go ahead and, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and apply my tape where it's necessary. And then we're going to go ahead and make our paper a little bit more flexible by using our bond folder, stretching it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around my eggs. All right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you have not already done so. And also hit that little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.